Today I'll give a short introduction on Rust. What is Rust? Rust is a programming language which was created at Mozilla, the same people who created Firefox. Rust is different from other programming languages. It's fast, it's memory safe, it does not have memory leaks thanks to its memory model. Rust will make your code productive. Many C and C++ programmers have switched to Rust because it solves their problems. Other programming languages create a type of boilerplate when a code base increases in size. Rust solves this too. Rust makes your code clean and expandable. Let's have a look at some Rust code and also understand Rust's memory model. Rust doesn't have an official memory model name. The Rust community has named Rust memory model ownership. Also, what is this ownership model? Each variable in a function is owned by the function, and when we pass that variable to a new function, the new function is the new owner of that variable. And once that new function runs and finishes, the variable is deleted from memory. So if you use it further in code, you'll get errors. If you want to use that data further in code, you have to borrow it. Ampersand sign means borrowing. Here you can see that we have a function called party and it takes sodas. We create a variable called sodas in our main function. This variable is owned by our main function. If we pass it on to the party function and use it after calling it, we'll get an error. First, we need to change the party function's type annotations. We need to put ampersand in front of it. Here we are using string. So now we'll use str, borrowed str. There is a difference between string and str. We'll discuss that in a later video. When calling the function, we'll put a ampersand in front of the variable. When passing, you can see the code runs and there are no errors. Rust is a compiled language, so it will create a system binary which can be executed. Rust can compile to many types of system binaries. In Rust we have structures which are defined using the struct keyword. There are three types of structs: name struct, tuple struct, and empty struct. Cargo is Rust's build tool and package manager. We also have enums, which are used to create types with multiple variants. Variants can optionally hold data. In Rust, there are traits. Traits are used to define similar functions for different types. Smart pointers. Let's learn what is a pointer. A pointer points towards the data in the memory. It holds the address where that data is stored. Smart pointers, on the other hand, are data structures basically wrapper around a pointer. They have additional metadata and methods. There are four pointer wrappers or smart pointers: box, deref, drop, and rc. I'll explain these in detail in another video. Rust also has lifetimes, which are used to return borrowed data or store borrowed data in structs or enums. Rust is general purpose, so it can be used for anything: web servers, game development, language development, etc. It is a systems language, so it can be used for low-level stuff, for example, embedded systems, operating systems, etc. Here are few crates that you will need for your projects. Command line interface, clap. Backend development, Actus, Axum. Error handling, this error, anyhow. Game development, Bevy. Parser combinators, Gnome, and Chomsky. Thank you for watching this video and getting rusty. Make sure to subscribe and like the video.